Baby, are you satisfied? That's quite a cough. Is all that you had in
Sure. Tuberculosis. I'll be dead soon.
Oh, you're a good man. I just wish you'd done it before he worked himself into the grave.
Really sorry for you, son. It's a hell of a thing.